how to allow or block access to Today View in Search on the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down. Then in here, tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter the passcode. Then we scroll down. And in here, go down to the Allow Access When Locked section and tap on Today View and Search. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And when this is turned on our lock screen, we can access to today's view. If we switch it off, then we will not be able to access it. So here, if I go in and turn it off, so we go down to Face ID and passcode, and then we turn off Today View and Search, and I'll lock the screen. So I try to open it. I can't. I can swipe across to open the camera, but if I swipe to the other side, it's not working. And here, if I turn it back on, so if I go down and tap on Today View and Search, you can see that on my lock screen. If I swipe across, so I do that again. So here, if I swipe across, I can open this page here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.